Hello everyone, welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Ania Kolbuszewska and our today's topic is regulating emotions. When we stop to think about emotions, we realize that we feel all the time, even in our dreams. We can't stop feeling. It's like breathing and thinking. We can't stop doing it. Emotions play a crucial role in the teaching learning process. We know that learning is a social emotional process. In other words, we learn best when we are socially and emotionally engaged. But emotions can also stand in the way of learning. If students are experiencing strong feelings which they are not able to regulate, their whole attention is going to be focused on those feelings and not on what they are learning. And so it's our responsibility to facilitate the learning process by also helping students regulate their emotions successfully. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in our live session.